Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases as proven by many researches. But one must consult doctor before practicing yoga and practice under supervision of a yoga teacher. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases. Sciatica pain, asanas, Sarvangasana, Chakrasana, Padangushtasana, Makarasana and Bhujangasana. Pranayama, Ujjayi Pranayama in Vajrasana position. Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back, place your hands on either side aligned with legs with palms touching the ground. Without bending the legs, lift your legs and move body beyond the head till the toes touch the floor. Stay in this position, breathing normally for a comfortable duration. Sarvangasana helps in reducing excess weight, strengthens legs, knees, waist, neck and shoulders, improves blood circulation and cures skin diseases, removes bad odor from body, cures acidity, digestive problems, diabetes, eyesight problems, insomnia, piles, spondylitis and tonsillitis. Chakrasana. Lie down on the back, keeping the feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees at knee level, keeping the feet close to hips. Place your palms on either side of the head with fingers pointing towards the body. Raise your body upwards, keeping the palms and feet flat on the floor. Elbows should not bend and roll your head inside, pointing towards legs. Breathing normally, maintain the position for a comfortable duration. Chakrasana slows down aging process, reduces fat, trims waist and broadens shoulders. It strengthens legs, shoulders, spinal cord and abdominal area, improves digestive system, cures addiction, asthma and backache. People suffering from high blood pressure, ulcer and heart diseases should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas.
Hast Padangushtasana. Standing on your right leg, raise the left leg in front of you till the waist level, without bending the knees. Hold the left leg with both the hands and bend down the torso till forehead touches knees. Repeat it for other side. Hast Padangushtasana strengthens legs, knees and waist, helps in increasing height, helps in reducing back.
Makarasana. Lie down on the stomach, stretch both the hands towards head. Keep the hands straight with palms facing floor and place one palm on another. Makarasana reduces anxiety, stress and tension. It slows down the breathing process and heart rate. It provides relaxation and removes tiredness. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart on either side of your chest. Lift portion of body above navel, balancing it on hands and turn your head upwards. Bhujangasana reduces fat and trims waist, strengthens abdomen muscles and improves digestive system, cures arthritis, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, insomnia and menstrual disorder, imparts beauty to face.
Ujjayi Pranayama is performed by breathing in from both the nostrils, making sound from your throat and exhaling only through left nostril. This is how it is performed. Ujjayi Pranayam improves digestive system, cures depression, diabetes, high blood pressure, insomnia, tonsillitis, and urinary disorders.
Helpful tips: eat 3 to 4 walnuts, also known as akhrot in Hindi, empty stomach. Turpentine oil massage twice a day.